How to withdraw funds from Binance to MPESA using P2P trade, a step-by-step guide. Introduction. Hello everyone, and welcome to our guide on how to withdraw funds from your Binance account to your MPESA wallet using P2P peer-to-peer trading. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free transaction. So, let's get started. Step 1. Log in to your Binance account. Firstly, log in to your Binance account using your credentials. If you don't have a Binance account yet, you'll need to sign up for one. Step 2. Navigate to the P2P trading platform. Once logged in, navigate to the P2P trading section of the Binance platform. This is where you'll find buyers and sellers who are willing to trade cryptocurrency for MPESA. Step 3. Select your preferred cryptocurrency. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw to your MPESA wallet. Binance supports various cryptocurrencies, so make sure to select the one you wish to convert to MPESA. Step 4. Find a seller browse through the list of sellers and select one that meets your requirements. Ensure that the seller accepts MPESA as a payment method. Step 5. Initiate the trade. Initiate the trade by specifying the amount of cryptocurrency you want to sell and the payment method, MPESA. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the trade. Step 6. Transfer cryptocurrency to escrow. Transfer the cryptocurrency you're selling to the escrow account provided by Binance. This ensures that the cryptocurrency is held securely until the transaction is completed.
Waiting for the buyer to pay. 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 Waiting for the buyer to pay.
Step 7. Confirm payment to the seller. Once the seller confirms receipt of your payment via MPESA, they will release the cryptocurrency from escrow, and it will be credited to your Binance account. Step 8. Withdraw funds to MPESA. After the cryptocurrency is credited to your Binance account, navigate to the Wallet section and select the cryptocurrency you've just received. Then, choose the option to withdraw funds. Step 9. Enter MPESA. Details. Enter your MPESA details, including your mobile number and the amount you wish to withdraw. Double-check the information to ensure accuracy. Step 10. Confirm withdrawal. Review the withdrawal details and confirm the transaction. Once confirmed, the funds will be transferred from your Binance account to your MPESA wallet. Conclusion. Congratulations. You've successfully withdrawn funds from your Binance account to your MPESA wallet using P2P trading.